Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Robin here. Today I'll be making fisherman stew rice noodle soup. It's a tomato-based seafood soup, served with rice noodles. As always, the ingredients and measurements are listed down in the description. As some of you may know, I was in Washington State a few weeks ago and had a lot of fresh seafood. Fisherman stew was definitely my favorite. However, I was craving for rice noodles, and that inspired me to make this Asian fusion dish. The recipe is fairly easy. Slice the ginger, roughly chop up the garlic, onion, and cilantro. Saute them in the olive oil using medium heat for about 5 minutes to release their fragrances. Make sure to stir them frequently so they don't get browned. Adding dry white wine can add a fruity and a little acidic character to the seafood dish. Because this recipe is meant to serve 5 to 6 bowls, here I used almost 2 pounds of San Marzano tomatoes and 2.5 liters of water. Season it with salt, pepper, and rock sugar. Cover it with a lid and cook for about 15 minutes, using medium to high heat. During this time, let's cook the rice noodles, following the instructions on the packaging. There are usually 5 different sizes of rice noodles, from extra small to extra large. I personally like large rice noodles when eating heavy soup, such as this. When the time is up, open the lid and add all the seafood in. Cook everything for about 3 minutes using medium heat. Now let's assemble the bowl. Fish out all the seafood and place them on top of the rice noodles. In order to prevent the seafood from overcooking, please cook the seafood right before serving. Last but not least, garnish with some cilantro. Enjoy! The tomato broth is steaming hot. I bet the fishermen will love this dish, with all their freshly caught seafood. If you liked my video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye!